Yep, that's what we're talking about today. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So, for those of you that are new, welcome. Today's video is going to be a little strange if you've never been on my channel before, but to those of you that have been watching for a while, you will understand where I'm coming from on this and what I'm talking about. So, on this channel, I primarily discuss the ownership experience of living day-to-day, driving about 40,000 miles a year in a Tesla Model 3. This happens to be my second Model 3 I've owned. This is a performance version. And about 2 years ago, I invented something for this car, and that is an adjustable screen mount kit. And what it does is it lowers the screen down about 1.5 inches or so, pitches it forward just slightly to correct the angle of the viewing angle once it's been lowered, and pitches the screen to the side. And then after that, I developed my swiveling screen mount kit, which is this item right here. And that does the same thing, but with an added twist. It lowers the screen, pitches it forward a few degrees, but allows it to actively swivel left and right. Now, I have yet to install one in this car, mainly because I just bought this car, and I need to update the instructions for my Atlas screen mount kit. I'll explain that in a minute. And so I'm going to use this car to update my instructions. I just haven't gotten around to it yet. So the screen in this car is currently in its stock location. But this video is to celebrate my 2-year anniversary since inventing that screen mount kit. I'm also approaching 1,000 sales. I think it's 960 something at this point. And right now, the Atlas mounts are running a long back order on those. I think I'm shipping orders from, gosh, close to 3 months back at this point. That is a mount that not only swivels left and right, as I was just describing, but also pitch adjusts. So it adjusts in 2 axes, forward and back, as well as left and right, almost like a rear view mirror, but while holding a perfectly level position. And those screen mounts are on a long back order. Basically, I'm boxing them and shipping them as quick as I can get parts in. And I thank everybody for ordering those. The patent is pending on that and everything. Well, that mount is selling like crazy. And I'm still selling the left-right swiveling mounts. Those, I have no plans to discontinue those anytime soon, but I do actually have an inventory of all the metal parts for them, or all the raw materials, machined parts for them. So I can pretty much assemble and box and ship those orders within a few days of receiving the order. And I thought, you know, since I've got an inventory of those and I'm coming up on my 2-year anniversary, why not offer a sale? So what I'm doing is these screen mounts are normally, I believe it's $255 for the Model Y or $245 for the Model 3. And what I'm going to do is lower them down. I'm offering a $50 discount, and the discount will be in the description below. Now, this is only for the first 10 people that take advantage of that. So if you want to get this mount at $50 off, which will be $195 for Model 3, $205 for Model Y, you better order it quick. So there'll be a $50 off coupon and a link in the description below. That's only for the swiveling mount. That does not count toward the Atlas mount. So go ahead, if you've been on the fence about obtaining a swiveling screen mount kit from me in the past, this is your opportunity. So, and then I'll have 1,000 orders filled here shortly. I'm excited about that. And anyway, go ahead and click the link in the description. Use the discount code, be one of the first 10 to do it, and you'll get $50 off a screen mount. So also, I've got some cool things coming up in regards to the screen mounts. So if you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments section below. Let's see here. All my screen mounts are still currently shipping with the padded fabric decorative sleeve in the back. I've had a lot of people ask about a plastic cover. The Chinese knockoff mount has a plastic, multiple piece plastic cover. Yes, I am working on a plastic cover. It is not done yet. That has been harder to develop than the mount itself. It's to the point now where what we have to do is disassemble the dash, or partially disassemble the dash of my car, and scan it, 3D scan it, because this is really a tough thing to make. But we are working on that. That should be available hopefully within the next month or so, and it will be retrofittable to all of my, to the current swiveling screen mount and to the Atlas mount. So if you want to order a screen mount kit now, you'll be getting the padded sleeve, but again, those will be upgradable to the plastic shroud, and I'll make those available just at my cost, a few dollars, real cheap. So yeah, and one of the problems with it, I've had people tell me I should just copy the Chinese plastic covers. Normally it's a bad thing to insult a different product, but their covers are garbage. I mean, they feel like they're gonna break in your hand. They are just crap. So there's no way we're gonna copy what they do. Plus their mount's a little bit different than mine. It won't fit. So our cover is completely designed from scratch, nothing like theirs. But anyway, yeah, any new orders are currently shipping with the padded sleeve, but can be updated to the plastic cover when those are available, maybe in a month's time or so. So anyway, that's where we're at. Go ahead and place your order. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section below. And as always, stay charged. Thanks, guys. Have a great day now. Bye-bye.